Yeah. Videotaping. Okay.
Tell them what I'm gonna do.
Okay, Josie is going to put that in her mouth.
And it's one of those things that you mix in like a water bottle, you know?
Yeah. Alright. Let's do this, Josie.
I feel like my tongue hurts right now.
Just do it.
I'm scared.
You weenie.
Oh my god. You can't laugh either.
I'm not laughing.
You are.
Because you're laughing. Come on. Too sour for you? This is so going on Facebook. Oh my gosh.
I don't care. It's not my problem. Oh my god. Where's the rest?
I put it on the counter by the sink.
Oh my god.
My battery just died.
Does it save it?
No.
Put that one.
Can you do it again?
Yeah.
Do you have any more? Do you have? Oh, okay. Do you have any batteries I can use?
Yeah, hold on.
Alright.
Dude, I'm
Can you do it again for me?
Not that way, but...
Would you do it again for me?
Yeah.
For mine? Okay. Because it's dead.
Ooh,
Okay.
God. It's not that much as last time, but it's enough. I'm scared to do it again. I can't do it.
Would it be better if I did it with you?
No. Because who's going to videotape?
You just put it on there.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Gotta make. Stand there. See if we can. It has to be tilted up on something.
Just do it.
Can't even see your face.
OMG.
Getting there. Here. Oh, there we go.
Would you like to see our stash here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. You got stuff all over the floor.
Okay. I know.
I can feel it on my feet.
Here, try the orange one. Do the orange one. This is the orange one.
This is the as.
This is it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, why don't we have some water or something for after?
Because I was like learning that I was
Okay,
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we have to share one. I don't want to. What? Oh, just shush. That's not us. Oh. That's not us.
No, we're gonna need more.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. Alright. Ready? We need more.
What time was last time?
There. I gotta go pee.
Like a whole package, you're serious?
I'm not using as much as the whole.
I'm not using the whole freaking package.
Okay, there we go.
Alright.
Stop.
Okay.
Ready? Go. What?
I'm so scared.
I did it.
So?
Start over again. 1, 2, wait, I messed up. 1, 2, wait, I forgot to breathe. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Good. I'm not doing that again. Oh my gosh. That's why it's supposed to go in water. Why do you have such bad ideas? Oh, it's my idea?
You know you have to do it again for me, Mariah camera.
What?
I'll do it again. I'll do it again, Mariah.
Okay. My throat needs a break.
Okay. And we don't the camera. Oh, don't.
Not yet. I'm gonna take one last drink. Last drink. I couldn't take a drink. It was stinging so bad I spit it back out there, so you might not want to drink it.
I didn't stop it.
Okay. Whew. We're gonna clean this up. Let's put it away. Oh my god. That was not delightful at all. Oh my god. Can you say bye?